This is a facial steamer, and this is one of my biggest secret anti-aging weapons, especially when I'm traveling because my face gets so dehydrated from the plane, being on the plane. So this is from Microderm GLO, and it's part of a whole system, or you can just get it by itself, but I recommend starting the day with this. It's a great way to start your day. You just basically fill this guy up back here, really easy. You just fill him up with water, pop him right in. I recommend using distilled water, or if you have structured water, you can use that too. Set it here, and then this guy, it moves. So that little nozzle will move up and down, so you can kind of stream it exactly where you want it. Now this is gonna actually really start to clean out the pores. I like it because it kind of will, I like to do a good scrub after that to get that, like, it'll soften that extra layer of skin that kind of peels off. And your skin is one of the biggest excretory organs in your body, so very important to exfoliate. I'd like to thank Microderm GLO for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I am a huge believer in steaming your face, because I also feel like it kind of helps me kind of clean out my sinuses a little bit too. The heat and the steam, it just feels really good. And it also sends yourself a message that, hey, you're worth it, I care about you. So ladies, take a little time to yourselves this week. I'm a big believer in self-care, so awesome. Grab yourself a good steamer. This one is awesome. It's just a perfect little size.